Do you struggle with an easy to use shop stool, leaving you to forage for any solution that is convenient and safe? Well, not anymore. You see, I don't have a very big shop, but I need a place to sit and a little help reaching items stored on hard to reach areas. One that is safe to use, takes up very little space, and until now, I have just used 5-gallon buckets, and as you can see, it's not the best option. If you have the same problem, and I'm sure you do, then you'll want to build one of these. A shop stool, step stool. One project that serves two purposes. This project is a simple build that can be done in one day. The materials are, believe it or not, pretty cheap. One 2x4, a set of casters, and some scrap plywood. Once you rip the pieces down to length and width like cat-like quickness, after a quick game of reverse Jenga and some chili. I mark out the locations of holes, then drill some angled holes like a pocket. Note to self, great idea for a product line. I hope I'm not too late on the game on that one. During the assembly I'm showing here, I'm actually doing this in the wrong order. It would be best to screw the wider base last, as the angle of the driver makes it difficult to get the screw lined up properly for the hole drilled in the remaining pieces. I have corrected this in the plans. Now, through the magic of YouTube vision, a second one appears. The cross pieces are just drilled with countersinks. This one is a non-marring from Amana Tools, links in the description below, and screwed at home. Next, I found some of that scrap plywood we all have lying around the shop, and now we can feel justified when we said, I don't want to throw that away, I'll use it someday. Also, I have no idea what dimension this is, and I don't care. It's not in the plans. Just use the best measuring tools ever, your fingertips, to line up the two edges, mark the perimeter. It will be perfect every time. I guarantee it. What you're about to see next is unsafe, unrecommended, and uncautious. So please use caution and only do what you are comfortable doing with power tools. Besides, I like what the late, great Robert Craig said, also known as Evel Knievel.
I think that a man was put here on earth to live, not just to exist.
now that you got the plywood pieces cut and more speed drilling and screwing, we're almost done. When marking out for the casters, you don't want to put them equidistant from the corners. That will make the shop stool usage tip over easily. I place them a little outside of the supports from where I'm going to sit. So a little truth in advertising here, I am 5'8" and weigh about 190 pounds. I don't have any idea of the strength to weight ratio of the stool to caster's position. So take ownership and guesstimate what you think is a safe position of the casters and usage for you and the situation you're using this in. After some final speed sanding, we are ready for use. Here it is, the finished product. I added a little tool tray when in the shop stool position for small parts that are easy to grab. This isn't in the plans, but it's an easy thing to do. You can do it. Man, am I glad to have this done. I've been needing something like this for a while and have gotten some great use out of it already. This was a quick build, easily in one day, and pretty inexpensive too. As of this recording, the 2x4 and the casters cost me around $20. Not including the tools, the screws, and the scrap plywood, you can have a quick win for you and your shop. If you'd like to make one of these for yourself, I have plans for this on my Etsy page. All the pertinence and such are listed below. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it greatly, and as always, keep building.